Assalamu alaikum and hello all my dear viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you very unique, delicious, simple and easy cauliflower curry recipe. So let's get started. For this I have chopped the cauliflower and I'm going to add in 1 liter of hot water onto it. Now add in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and give it all a good mix. Now that's enough. You can strain it out into a strainer. If you want, you can even soak it in this hot water for about 10 minutes. Now take it out into a strainer and allow all the water to drain out. Meanwhile, you need to chop the potatoes and put it aside. Now heat a pot on the stove and add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil into it. As the oil gets heated up, I'm going to add in 250 grams of chopped potatoes. Give it a good stir and cook for about 5 minutes. So you can see after 5 minutes just the color has been changed. Now take them out. Into the same oil, add in 1 chopped onion and fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and fry until it turns light golden brown in color. Meanwhile, I have washed 250 grams of boneless mutton and I have kept aside. Now I'm going to add in the washed mutton into it. This cauliflower recipe, do try it out with mutton. This tastes so good and amazing. And let me know your experiences. How did you find it? Now give it a good mix. Now add in 1 teaspoon of green sauce into it. In case you don't have the green sauce, you can even add in green chili paste. Now add in the fried potatoes, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, which is less spicy and gives more good color, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Give them all a good mix, and now you need to add in the tomato puree. So here I have grinded 3 to 4 tomatoes and I have made the puree this way. Now add that also into our pot and give them all a good mix. Now you need to cover the pot and cook on low flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. So you can see after 5 minutes the oil has been oozing out. And now this is the perfect time to add in the cauliflower. So you can see we have just washed it with hot turmeric water and it had changed color. This will even enhance the look of the gravy. Now give them all a good mix. Now add in half cup of water into it and cover it and cook on low flame for about 8 to 10 minutes until the cauliflower is done. You can see after approximately 8 minutes, you can see the cauliflower is almost done. Give them a good mix and now top it with some coriander leaves and allow it to cook on low flame for about 2 minutes. So here you can see after 2 minutes our most delicious and tasty cauliflower mutton curry is just ready. This recipe is going to satisfy your taste buds and this is going to be very delicious and tasty. You can try it with roti or paratha or even rice or even as a side dish when you prepare dal or sambar. So this was the recipe for today. If you find my recipes interesting, do hit the like button. Also share it with your friends and family members and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes. And also let me know in the comment section what more recipes you want from me next. I will for sure share the recipes to you all. So this was the recipe. That's all for today. We'll meet you in the next recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Stay tuned for more updates.